Happy St. Patty's Day, everyone. Let's talk a little bit about this market drop that we've seen. The headlines surely make it sound like the sky's falling, but is it really? Let's break it down. So the S&P 500, which everyone knows is the largest 500 companies in the U.S., it dropped about 10% from its high, and that's what we would call a correction. This isn't unusual. It's actually happened 34 times since 1950, or about once every 2 years. Historically, we all know the market always recovers. On average, it takes about 3.5 months. And some of the worst corrections that we've seen have taken about 9 months on average. Now, not every correction turns into a crash. In fact, about 2/3 of the time, they don't. But here's what we're looking at this time. The economy definitely is not running on full cylinders. Job growth has slowed a little. It's still growing, but businesses are still hesitant to do any sort of substantial investing because of the higher interest rates, which is also putting a strain on the consumer. We're seeing a little bit of a slowdown in consumer spending, but nothing is alarming yet. It's mostly just reverting to the mean. But when the economy isn't firing in all cylinders, it definitely opens up the economy to be a little more vulnerable to any potential disturbances. So the best response is just staying the course, focusing on what you can control. The markets will always do what they do, but your financial plan, that's your income, your savings rate, your expenses, those are things that you can control. Those are what truly matter. So that's what we'll keep trying to talk with you about, just trying to stay on track with all those, regardless of the short-term noise that you'll see in the news. So for now, this is still a correction. It's not a crisis. We'll keep it watching, but just focus on the long-term aspect to investing. Remember, it's not about timing the market. It's about staying invested and sticking to your financial plan. So if you've got any questions outside of that, please drop them in the comments, and thank you for watching.